Hello and welcome to this video in which I want to show you how you can add easily new power-ups to my resource system for all other characters except for Mario and Luigi, which already have a resource system from the vanilla game. So first of all, we need a custom power-up, and therefore I use the Replayer's power pack. So huge shout out to them and everyone who collaborated for this pack. Then I searched for this example, the bomb mushroom. And so I create a new folder. You do not have to do this, but I find it more structured to do it and to copy the credits.txt and powerup information.txt in there. So I know where's which documentation without overriding it when I copy it over into the into my episode folder, because then I would have multiple yeah, power-up information txt and credits.txt files, so they would override each other. So I stuck them into a folder so I don't have to rename them. Yeah, because that would be another way, but then everything would be cluttered, and yeah, I just don't like it, so I dug it into their own folder. So yeah, then I need to go to my reserveforall folder, which you will download with my script. And yeah, with this, so now I need to look which it is, which is the correct NPC there. Let's try this one. Yep, it's 840. Because taking here the wrong NPC ID, yeah, it would here it would not mess anything up or something, but if you have the wrong NPC ID later on in the script, it messes something up. So be careful there. So then, bomb. I will do bomb shroom. And then I will open it. You won't see it, unfortunately. But I want to have the notepad++ bigger because that's where the important stuff happens. So yeah, that's what I want to have big there. So yeah. And there we have it's slightly too big. But yeah, then I will just do that. And then it should fit. Well, I will do that. So yeah, Then I have the graphic there. Yes, so then we will head into Notepad++ or any other coding software, doesn't matter really. So I will go there and then copy this whole thing from actually I will do it there because then I get the marking more easily. Yeah, then copy this passage, paste it over there. At the end, it's just important that it goes to the back of the thing. And I called it bomb shroom. It's important there to call it what you called the file name before, because otherwise the script will not find the file, the .png file, so it will not display and throw an error. Now I will look what again was the MPC ID 840, and then just add it here to the back. So this is a table where we look all the NPCs which we want to spawn in the first one, and in the second one, the power-up NPCs. We have what we want. Yeah, the NPCs, when we collect them, we get the power-ups, and there I exclude the 9 for the mushroom because, yeah, I will do it by different means. I will do the mushroom by other means because it's too complex. And yeah, I would have to check if it is a 9 anyways, if it is a mushroom power up. So I do it differently. Yeah, but that's actually it. It's just important there to copy the files, because if you forget that, yeah, logically, it will not do anything. Yeah, but like this, everything is set up, and yeah, then you can use the power up freely. And the only thing you have to watch out a bit is that you have sprites for everything, for every character you want to use, or that at least you have to try maybe it works even without a sprite, because it takes the default one. But if not, it also can happen that it throws an error. Then you just have to, yeah, take care of the naming convention and add a sprite in accordingly. Yeah, but that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. I hope it helps you, and feel free to reach out if you have any feedback, comments, tips, questions. Yeah, so that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.